So I'll be showing you how to install the CapCut Video Editor on your iPhone. For this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but these same instructions can be used for pretty much any other iPhone or even the iPad. So what you need to do is go to the Apple App Store and then hit the search icon in the bottom right corner, and then go to the search function and search CapCut. So Cap, C-A-P, then C-U-T, CapCut, like that, and then search for that app. So from the results, make sure you tap on the correct result. So this is the one we are looking for, CapCut Video Editor. So since I already have mine installed, that's why I'm seeing the option to update. If you've never installed it, then you should see get instead of update. Okay, so just tap on get. This button should be get if you've never installed CapCut. It's only update because I already have it on my iPhone. So just tap on that and install. Now make sure that it's CapCut Video Editor by Photo Video Maker with Music. Just make sure you get the correct application. So just wait for it to install. Also, if it's the first time, you might be required to double press the side key to verify that installation. With the installation complete, you can now tap on open from inside the App Store, or you can go ahead and look for the app icon in the home screens. So here we are, here is CapCut, and launch it, and you can go through the initial setup process and start new projects. But that's basically how to install the CapCut Video Editor onto your iPhone. Thanks for watching and good luck.